Una de bring one back. But I will try to shop now. But that's the yellow. Yeah, before we come in. Come on, bring your money. How many should you carry for them? Go carry more. Carry more. If I bet I don't know. Madam, no time, no. You get one in the coming, no time, no. Check that woman. Madam, I bring her. I go scatter your market. Roger. Come on, bring your money. Go na yami. Guys, go away. Go na yami. If anybody stress me, I go stress her for this guy. Exactly. If you not stress me, I go stress you. See, bring up to 1,000. Yeah, but they bring up. Everybody will bring up to 1,000. Roger. I respect you. Say you Mama. You don't concern me now. I don't concern me. I don't get time. Don't know what they say. People. I know they look out for bring a cup down there. I go put up for here. What the money now? Nah, I'm going to go. Mama, don't tell me. You never know where I come from. Where the money is? I'm from Benin. She doesn't have money. I come from Benin. Wait, now you want to believe something, Abi? Wait, the last time I met no entire in Abi. This woman don't understand my ability. Oh, that's not my fine. Yes. Who get the shop? See, where the shop? Roger. Where the money now? Roger. Where the shop? I said I know they give again. I Waiting to happen for you. Okay, we don't collect this line.
What are they bring up?
Wait, which can me they ask?
Now that question they ask you.
You don't know me, okay? Now we they collect tax for the market. Bring your money now 1K.
What are you using the money to?
But now bring the money now. Which kind of question that one now? Come on, bring money.
What are you using for?
People. What is the water? They collect one leg for here.
Don't try it.
Don't try with you. Don't try with you.
No stress. No.
If you invest with the no.
Come up for the
If you invest with the no.
enter my shop.
If you invest with the no. If you invest with the no.
Take that woman. Take that woman.
What's wrong?
No stress.
Oh yeah.
Give me the money. I'm
You don't give me money. You give me any money?
Come, wait.
Get there.
See that she will be there.
You be like
now make me come up with
give me money.
Come on, bring the money here.
Drop my table.
No worry,
Drop push table.
Which one are you?
now me the romance abi. No worry, I go tell Shama we go lock the shop.
Bring the money.
I will lock the
We go lock the shop. We go lock the shop. You go say.
When I check this one, I am madam.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry.
What's in there? No problem. You know what's in there?
Don't come and say we don't come.
I think I better call this one. You check that woman.
Oh yeah, now I'm alpha.
What do you want?
See, I'm.
Come, wait. Public announcement. See, as I come to your shop, I don't want the man they bring out the money. But I don't bring it here. Man, I look everywhere.
You go do it. You get why they call me people now. You get why they answer one leg.
Give me the one. Bring your money.
Bring your money. No, do that thing with me. I know they for see. They don't stress me. Wait. I don't do that one. No. Give me the go.
I don't get any money now. Which
You don't start. I don't get strength to talk with you.
Okay, come on my shop. Come on my shop. I don't get any money. Money when I not say I want to give you money.
Okay, no.
Okay, come on for here. What do you want to do?
Don't try me.
Okay, come on for here. I don't get any money. Okay, come on. For here. Okay.
Come.
Meg! Jesus! Okay, you don't come on for here. You don't come.
I go do this something.
You want to make it talk?
Come on. What's the example here?
Okay, I don't believe
What's the example here?
You don't stand up.
What's the example here?
You don't stand up. You don't come for here.
Come on,
Not too much. Not come for here.
Maybe this.
Who's not
Come on. I go jab. You the Make a land you want. I go land you.
I'm not going to agree.
People leave this
I'm
girl.
not going to agree like
Leave her where they go. Where are you? Come on, leave her. I go on you. Come on, leave her.
Your Majesty, you asked why I don't hate you like other Ichis do.
Yes. And you're here to give me an answer.
Well, Your Majesty, when power is in play, I seize the moment as it presents itself.
Just like the tax money you initiated. I hope it works.
Your Majesty, just relax and see the result. Yes.
Alright. So, what's your interest in all of this?
Your Majesty, I know you are a generous king. I don't. I will never argue whatever you give me. I don't know. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, they are here.
Boss, like money disease. You never count up to know how much we do inside. Yes. I told you to walk. I told you to walk.
Good.
I told you to walk.
Just imagine the height of greed. Eh? My initiation, my intellectual property, eh? My idea. If I had known, I wouldn't have even brought this idea in the first place. Eh? Eh? Every time we go out, make millions of naira. Eh? You give me peanut. Huh? Okay, now today 2 million, the whole 2 million naira he's giving me just 20,000 naira. Wicked soul. Huh? I think I know what to do. I know what to do. There's no problem. Let me just give this one. I know what to do. Cha kama.
No, just this one smells very nice. Pepper, not good. It's pepper. I don't know what to.
You are smart, but I am better. Where is it? The prince and your sister, where are they? I
Now that you've confirmed that your wife is still alive, what's your plan?
I will definitely go and rescue my wife.
Okay. And I've been thinking, why not report this case to the police? At least they will handle it.
Police will delay the case. And Maduka is somehow influential. He can bribe, he can manipulate. So I will do it my way. Trust me, it will end in praise.
I see. No problem if you say so. So okay.
Viper the electric. The Viper the electric. Viper the electric.
How far now?
I'm fine, my brother. Viper, what is going on now? Why are you looking like this? Why are you this sad? The last time I checked, you are about becoming the king of your kingdom. What happened?
My foolish elder brother has bitten more than he can chew. And it's time for us to show him the stuff we are made of. I need the brotherhood now.
No one dares the brotherhood and go scot-free. No one! I will summon the brotherhood this night.
I believe you. We need to sit down and decide. Oh, forgive my manners. This is my God-sent. She has been the one taking care of me and protecting me and even treating me at the same time. She has lost a lot of people along the line.
Thank you so much for taking care of my brother.
You're welcome.
Viper, we shall summon the brotherhood tonight and we will address this issue.
Very important. We need to sit down and strategize on how to attack that fool. Because nobody has the monopoly of madness. Yes. You can't be mad when you have the king of madness around.
Good to see you, my brother. Good to see you.
Thank you. I have a bullet to put.
Sorry. Let's go inside, please.
Okay.
Amara, food is ready. Come and eat.
Alright, I'm coming.
Guy at the verse. At the para. Ojofo na our capon. Na our leader. Na person we say don't dey for us when nobody did it. Na person we get us for heart. And we go do everything to make sure him dey safe. The guy they go through a lot now at this stage. And he dey para me. Na our family be this, na our blood. So he dey hurt my feelings, say one kind Jew man dey trample upon him right. Just because of saying get kala. He dey treat our own number one anyhow. Omo I dey para badly.
Not everybody kala the fit. As him price the market, him go buy. Our Capone, number one for the game. Now in the threaten. We did the money pool now. The threaten now. But I wanna. I want to go collect them.
Brotherhood. Do for you. Do for you. Brotherhood. Is Agarov. Was Raga.
Shop is very big. Yeah, very, very big. Wow, my dear Choma. I know where and when I am wanted. You see, this time around it is business. You see, we now run this town. Yes, you must be aware that every shop in this market has been paying their tax. She knows now. I'm very sure you have paid. So where's your receipt? So if you've not paid, give us your 1,000 naira.
I don't have any money to give you.
Huh? You don't have any money to give me. You don't have any money to give me. You have denied me the other one. Now you're still denying me my right. I'm doing my job. I'm on my duty post. Where is your 1,000 naira?
I don't have.
Which one is that you don't have? Where is your money now?
Equalize the bag. Equalize now. Let's go.
Why are you taking my bag to? Bring it! Give me my bag.
What is it this time?
Chioma, why is it that anytime you see me, you feel you've seen an enemy? You will be raising shoulders. Enough room, Mozu. Why now? It is love. Come on.
What is it?
Good question. Well, I want to inform you that you should know now that I have power. Hence, this kingdom is consigned now. I have authority. I control things now. Well, I understand the way you feel. You feel bad because of what my boys did yesterday at the market. Don't mind. You see, those things, they will return it to you. And in fact, I will give you extra things. Just know that you have to love me. Once you agree with my terms and conditions, all those things will be. In fact, I will double everything. Come on.
Iche, do you know what you look like? You are disgusting me right now. Would you? Let's go.
Choma, wait. Wait. You're a very lucky girl. Because I actually thought you were receiving a serious beating. Serious one, no?
Look here. I don't know how else I'm going to spell it out to him that I don't like him. I don't like him at all.
Do you know what? Let's go. We'll talk about that later.
Just look at what love has turned me to. Well, I can be disgusting. Hence, you agree to love me.
Ichie Marcus.
Your Majesty.
Is this all the money you collected today?
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, the market was just very scanty. Only had me today.
You scanted the total amount of 1,756,000 naira. And you kept to yourself the sum of 756,000 naira. I believe that is terribly disheartening and also an insult for you to come before the king of this great land with the sum of 1 million naira. Isn't it?
Ichie Marcus.
Your Majesty.
You heard my wife. Is it true? Nana.
No, Your Majesty. I did not. It's not true. It's not true.
Chioma, you paid her to accept you as your woman. Isn't that poorly of you?
How did you know all this?
I pay special attention to my surroundings.
Your Majesty, she's saying the truth. I'm sorry.
Ichie Marcus, I hate it when people try to play smart with me.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Please, don't shoot me. I will return all the money. Because don't forget the past, Your Highness. Please, Your Majesty, please. I'm sorry.
It's already too late.
Sorry, Your Majesty, please.
My darling, any news on Ejiofor?
Not yet, my lord. I assure you, I have everything under control. So please relax.
Baz. do not remember scheduling any meeting today.
His Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Why are you here?
Your Majesty. The level of tax our market women has been subjected to is so alarming. Please, my king, consider that these people are petty traders. They do not make so much money, and it is very hard for them to pay such in the name of taxation.
Noted. Anything else?
Your Majesty, Ichie Marcus has been missing since days now. And the last place he was seen is in this palace.
I killed him. He became greedy, so I killed him. Same fate will befall anyone who tries to challenge my rule as the king of this land. My word is law. You disobey me, you die.
Your Majesty, you cannot do such to us. We're in the civilized world, where everyone expresses his or her right. How can we be enslaved in this our kingdom? But Your Majesty, please.
Come back here.
His Majesty. His Majesty.
I believe both of you also have the right to express yourself. Do you wish to use your rights? Get out of my palace.
Mazi, just hold on. You'll be good. There's a chemist man, a mercy man in that place. He's a good boy. He will treat you. He has some mercy we can give to you. You'll be better. You'll be good. You are a man. Stand up, my brother. It is the situation we have found ourselves. It is well. It is well. What has befallen this our community? Umudem is indeed in trouble. Umudem is doomed. Okay, let's go. It's okay. It's okay.
Maduka! Maduka! Come out here, you wicked soul! Maduka! I want my wife, else there will be bloodshed. Maduka! Come out here! Come out here! I swear to God, if you don't release me, I'm alive.
Never! I said never! She's the only access to get to you. So she stays.
We're not
Women don't talk when men are talking. Maduka, I want my wife, else there will be bloodshed here and now. 1, 2, 3. I want my wife.
Micheal, sorry. But did you hear those gunshots?
Hey!
Sorry, Jay. Sorry.
I heard it. It sounded like civil war. But what could generate such things in our community?
Name is bleeding, but the gods have remembered us.
Please, I want you to clarify things to me. What did you mean that Umudim is bleeding and our gods have remembered us? Please, I do not understand. Please, make things clearer to me.
Yes, I will tell you. Prince Jofol is around. He is alive. He went to the palace to fight Maduka with fierce looking men. Bullets were flying left, right and center like brimstones from hell.
Gods of our land, please intervene on our behalf.
You're back. Why is everyone quiet? Okay, I understand. But believe me guys, we are coming out stronger. Just believe. Trust in me, we are coming out stronger, okay?
See, Bunny, just buy relaxer. Buy relaxer because you no go understand anything. Dammy, you no go understand what it mean to fail. So just buy chillers balls.
Guys, at the verse, we underestimate these people too much. At the verse.
Maduka, you are now my business. And the worst thing that can happen to you is to become my business. I will not focus on any other thing until you are down. Maduka. Izagaro was Yaga. We need to re-strategize and attack again.
Now the Matthias be that. No, now the Matthias be that. That re-strategize. Now be the Matthias. Because we will not fit lap this maniple empty hand. So if we have to re-strategize, we need to lap this maniple when we don't sell it now. So this maniple go believe now. No, who goes this maniple now? Tested and trusted.
So you want me to jazz up?
Now the matter be that. You didn't know they feel me. You don't feel lap that maniple. Now that maniple, you know they empty. We need to sell it now. We need to get ourselves tested and trusted now. So if we jam that maniple, you can collect what we that man now.
Native doctors know they collect gate fee now. We go run on.
I saw the matter just be. Now me be Soji. Now me be the alligator who dey stop evil. That's maniple go believe. No be choice.
Your husband was this close in joining you. But don't worry, sweetheart. It won't be for long, because he will surely fall into my trap. The spider's web is not just its sleeping spring, but also its hunting tool. 8. I don't want you dead before I reunite you with your husband.
Do not think that you have won. My husband, Ojiofo, is a lion and a true born king. He will rise from the ashes and the dust, and he will reclaim everything that you have stolen from me.
Say one more word, and I will delete you from the surface of this earth.
You are a thief. You are a thief. Do your worst. I dare you. I dare you to do your worst. Kill me. Kill me if you want to.
me body. You will be the head and not the tail. From today henceforth, you are fortified. You will be the head and not the tail. Onye se ni ya na eme nwe hisi egwu esi atinye onwe isi. All the days of your life, you shall conquer. Omenizu, omenowa. Oguye kuka neme, oguyunu zimbe kan neme, oguyunu zimu me kan neme, oguyunu zimbe kan neme. Woke, okwasi na mila de wilo. My husband, you are fortified. You are indestructible. You are unshakable. It is done. Rise, for it is done.
Welcome to the shrine of the living dead. You seek to kill that which eats the dead.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Maduka and his wife are vultures. And for you to kill them, you all need to die.
What do you mean by we have to die to kill someone? It's not making sense to me. Speak in plain terms, and we walk on.
Vultures don't eat what is alive. You all need to die and resurrect in the next 4 days. Before you can defeat a man like a Maduka, you must first defeat death. And after that, you sacrifice a virgin girl to claim the power of the gods.
Let's go. I'm trying to go. But wait, Cholo. Cholo.
I'm here.
Somebody's praying. Somebody's praying.
Praying.
Yes.
Who?
Voice quarters. Voice quarters. Help me. Help me.
Greeting, Your Highness.
Did I not warn you never to pray in my palace?
Please, I'm sorry, Your Highness. I swear by the God.
I'm not comfortable with this whole idea. Must I do something fetish to neutralize Maduka's power? Must we?
According to Ajali, we go need to defeat Maduka and rescue your wife as well before we go get that power.
You don't understand. Must we kill? You heard what the native doctor said. We need to kill a virgin. That's my problem.
Okay, even if we agree, where you go see virgin in this country? Hold your phone, I work for you. See, if I don't know you, I could say you dey come fatiga. Why you gonna talk like this? You talk like say you're the intelligent. Now this thing you suppose ask am. Now say your liver dey fail you or na wetin?
No be liver matter. You know say liver dey. But okay, why you want to see virgin now? Virgin still in this country. How are we supposed to get a virgin?
Oh, Jofo. You be small pikin. So now we go tell you the right thing to do. Now we go to tell you what to do. To how to take get revenge. Guy, if you need power, you go take risks.
See, nobody say I don't get mind to kill. But I don't kill without reason. That's a senseless killing. Which time you say man bring virgin? Okay, cow no go do the thing. Can't we give like 4 cows?
Now cow then take put it for temporal. No, hear yourself cap now. Now cow you take it for temporal like this. See, use your head pan no. Which one be if na cow something? Eji na cow take na temporal. Now do what is right now. You cap like person with the tench.
So I must go his way to defeat him.
No, only sika asa now.
We go do the right thing at the right time. You dey hear me so? We go do the right thing at the right time.
I don't hear you.
Come to talk like say one person dey tell. Who that man now?
Check people who don't buy. Check people who don't go down, who don't go overboard.
If na your younger sister be the virgin, will go move. Will you be happy?
That I won't read that.
If na your younger sister now be the virgin, I'm not comfortable with this.
I heard everything, but I wonder why you are so reluctant in taking action. My brothers were murdered in cold blood. Your wife held captive with your first child. You must do something no matter what it takes. Do something.
No matter what it takes.
It's normal. No, all these ones where you tell him now, is he new to it? Normal. You can't care less.
Guys, I don't come up for you. Ejofo, you know the right thing, have you? Do the right thing.
Why are you people behaving as if I'm a chicken-hearted fellow? Okay, no problem. I go buy virgin. Na coke. Give me 3 virgins. No problem. But you're talking rubbish, man.
We go find them.
Is it easy to kill?
Don't worry, I will look for it.
Give me 3 virgins.
I understand your predicament. I understand you very well. But being moody won't solve the problem. Please, you have to stop.
How do you want me to stop? Exactly how do you want me to feel? Just look at me. I have become a shadow of myself. I spent 6 good years in the university to make good life. I'm not even talking about the wasted time as you took. My dreams, my future, my sweet ambition, all locked up in the cupboard. Just look at me, wallowing in the village. I'm supposed to be your elder brother, providing for you, giving you the necessary support you need in life. And you expect me to be happy with this situation.
Only I understand you. I understand everything. But we have to put our faith in God. Okay? We have to put our faith in God, believe in God that it's going to be better someday. Please.
I'm here to see the day come by. I'm still hoping. I keep asking myself, if not for this nonsense service that you provide in the village, just to sort out 1 or 2 things, what would have happened to you? What would have happened to my beautiful sister? I'm just nothing. A figurehead. I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
One remember, a living dog is better than a dead lion. When there is life, there is hope. Okay? Let's keep our hope high. It will be better someday. Believe in God, please. Please.
Is there no food in the kitchen?
No, so there's nothing in the house. This Gary is the only food in the house.
You know, say make you try something where red oil if you relate with who know it in so.
I beg if Kwane, there's no money. But we can manage this Gary at least. It's big. We can manage it.
Did they manage Gary? No, I'm fine. I'm okay. Enjoy.
No, so why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself? Have you forgotten the advice our late parents gave to us? We should always believe in God. Put your faith in God. Where is your faith? Don't you believe in God anymore?
Again, when I tell you, say me and God no they relate. Because I thought say I no go manage. They enjoy your cassava flakes and floating waves of coconut.
Stop this. We can manage this, Gary, at least. I know you've not had anything all day. We can manage it.
I do alright. I did missing my belly. You fool.
Oh, so this Gary is sweet though. You like it?
For salt, Gary will salt. Then I go like, who is this woman? Enjoy now. It's not. I don't believe.
I don't want to drink again.
Cause I no great drink Gary with salt today. No, enjoy your pizza, your cassava flakes and floating.
What is your highness?
Fine.
Your highness.
You're doing well. Yes, indeed. Your king is proud of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You have proved to be a worthy son of Umudim.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your plantain plantation is doing very well.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Extremely well. Yes. In fact, it has caught my interest. I called you here to tell you that that plantain plantation now belongs to me. You may go.
No, Your Majesty. You can't take it away from me. This is the only land my late father left for me. And this is the only source of our livelihood. I can't allow you to take it away from us, Your Majesty.
I did not call you here to bargain with you. I called you to inform you that the plantain plantation now belongs to me. For the last time, you may leave.
No. No, you can't take it away from me. That will be over my dead body. You can't take it away from me. You can't take it away from me. This is only the way we survive in our family.
No.
Over your dead body.
Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please.
Executed.
Please, Your Highness. Hey! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Majesty! God will judge you!
Madam, no come here when they show emotion. You hear me, huh? No come here when they show. No, you hear me?
You have finished the first phase of your immortality. You have 3 days to offer the sacrifice.
Wise one. I think say you go help us find the sacrifice now.
Tell your friends. Each of us should look closely to see what he's looking for.
Should look closely. Wise one. Make I understand with you the cap. What do you mean when you say Ejiofor should look closely? Wise one. Cap me vertically now. The cap vertical.
Blood of a virgin will unlock what you need to win the fight before you. Remember, 3 days. Remember, 3 days. 3 days to offer the sacrifice.
Bro, we don't have much time, okay? Listen, we need to do this immediately. Why? We can't wait again. Let me call you back, please.
Tony, what is going on? What is happening? Since you guys returned from wherever you went to, you people have been moody. What is happening? Especially Ejiofor. What is going on? Can someone talk to me? What is happening?
Amara, it's not something you should bother yourself about.
Tony, don't walk out on me. Come and tell me what is going on. I need answers. What is happening? Why is everyone quiet? What is happening? Tony! Why is everyone quiet? Tony!
Guy, this is really absurd. Telling Ejiofor to sacrifice that babe doesn't make any sense. Just to become powerful. Eh? Not after everything that babe has gone through because of that guy. Bring down your voice. There you now. Guy, she know the house, she don't come out. I wonder how that guy they feel at this point now. I wonder. Eh?
The truth be said, Ejiofor all his life. So to buy that girl, it no go easy at all.
You know go easy now. Now the problem we will get with that because considering the time frame we will get, it is very, very short. You know how tedious it is to find virgin for this country. It be like say you find pin for where he's stuck. Now why did they bother? Because I know how that guy they feel at this point.
Very easy for Ezekiel. I want to make a Barnabas first. My Barnabas, I got feel reason well waiting. You feel me? Only if I will buy in 2 days time, I cannot say my reasoning go well. Because assistance, if you look on very well. No, now Facebook on well now. If Facebook this matter well now, you go see say it no go easy. But if you no fit get virgin like you say, why I want now? We use the healthy now. We use our say simple thing. To use the clothes to cover her face. She go buy well everywhere I go bala from her.
My guy, this thing no dey easy. This thing no easy as you dey talk am. It no dey easy at all. I just weak for this matter. This matter really weak me. I don't know what to do at this point.
Just by relaxer. I relax her. Everything go fall in place. Last, if you don't fall in place, we Casablanca everywhere. No believe. No believe. Chill.
Where is he?
Where is who?
Where is Ojiofor? For the last time, where is Ojiofor?
Ojiofor is not here, tell you. Ochena mo, bigri gago. Enele be jolo, ebi enwa. Ebi enwa. Ochena mo.